Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be taking you through a home workout that you guys can do, and for this you don't need a gym because today is actually raining and personally I go to the gym, but I thought to myself, you know what, let me make a video so it's a home workout and you literally don't need much equipment at all, and the only equipment that you need, like 95% of you guys will have it, okay? So I'll go through that later on. So before the video starts, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and if you guys are serious about transforming your physique and let me be your online coach, click the link in the bio and let's get you on the 90-day shredding plan. It doesn't matter if you work at home or the gym, that's my responsibility to create you the best program which is going to get you shredded in 90 days. It's worked for thousands of people around the world and they have finally got that ripped and shredded physique that they always have wanted. So click the link in the bio if you're serious about transforming your physique. But let's get into this workout because I made it as realistic as possible because I'm here in my living room and I'm with a full body workout and it's going to be interesting. So let's do it. So the first exercise, what we are going to be doing is we are just going to be doing push-ups, because what I want you guys to do is I want you to work your entire body. So this is going to be focusing on our chest, shoulders and also our triceps as well. So this is going to be the first exercise. It's going to be the standard push-ups and I'm going to show you real quick the best way to do it. So I want you guys to have your hands shoulder width apart. Make sure your body is completely flat. Come right down and back up. Now I know a lot of you guys are going to say have your elbows tucked in, tucked out. Just do it wherever you feel comfortable, okay? If you feel comfortable having your elbows in or elbows out, it's entirely up to you. So nice and slow on the way down and back up. So here we're doing 4 sets for 15 reps. And in between our sets, we are going to have a 1-minute break. So we're going to do our set, have a 1-minute break and go again. So that's the first exercise. It is the push-ups. I'm not going to show you like all 4 sets, but make sure you complete 4 sets. Now the next exercise is we are going to be working our triceps, and what we are going to be doing is we are going to be still on the floor. We are going to be doing diamond push-ups, close grip push-ups, entirely up to you, whatever you want to call them. Now what I want you guys to do is have your hands like a triangle. You can say have it like this, or you can have your hands quite close. It's entirely up to you. I don't want you guys to think that this is the only way that works. So however you feel comfortable, okay? I'm just gonna have my hands quite close again. Play around with it wherever you feel comfortable, where you are gonna be working your triceps. Let's do it. Hands quite close, elbows in this time. Yes, I'll advise you guys keep your elbows in. So come right down and come up and squeeze your triceps at the top. So here, 10 reps, 3 sets this time. And also another thing is when doing this, you're going to feel it in your chest as well. So when you're coming up, you're really going to be feeling it in your chest. So this is a great exercise, again, not only for your triceps, but also for the inner part of your chest. So when you're wearing that V-neck, that chest is going to be showing. So that's the next exercise. Yeah, second exercise as well. So push-ups, and we have done the close grip, triangle, diamond, whatever you want to call it, push-ups as well. Now the next exercise, we are going to need a chair. So you can use a chair like this. You can use, actually you can't use a sofa because you can't exactly curl that. So you'll just need a normal chair, a chair that you sit on in the kitchen, wherever. Just find a chair that looks very similar to this, okay? It doesn't matter the material, just get a goddamn chair, okay? So what we're going to be doing, this is now going to be working our biceps and our triceps. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to be doing chair curls, meaning that simply get a chair, curl it up. Now when you're doing it with a dumbbell, you're usually having your hand in this position. So if you have something quite tight to hold the chair, very similar, curl up. If you don't, you can go quite wide and curl this way, okay? So 10 repetitions, and I'm going to show you what we are going to do for our triceps. So 10 reps, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Once we have done our 10 reps, now we are going to be doing chair dips straight away, okay? So literally complete the 10 reps straight into chair dips. So 10 reps again. So make sure you go nice and low and back up. I'll usually aim just above 90 degrees and back up. Make sure you get a nice squeeze in your triceps. 10 reps. Make sure the chair's strong as well, otherwise it's going to break. So that is how we are going to be working our arms. Now a lot of you guys may be laughing, thinking, oh, what the hell is he doing? But when you are working out at home, you got to be as creative as possible, because we don't have a lot of equipment. End of the day, you got to use some sort of resistance. See, just from that, I've got a bit of pump in my biceps and my triceps as well. So don't be like, oh, I don't want to do this, you know, I got to use that, I got to use this. Do whatever it takes to use some sort of weight. Even if it means get Simba Singh, who's looking at me right now, get it done, okay? Actually, don't use Simba Singh, because do you want to be the weight? Okay, let's try. Probably don't need to use Simba Singh, but be creative and use some sort of weight. There's not a lot of bodyweight exercises for your arms, so a chair is absolutely great. Now the next exercise, we are going to be working our abs. Now you can just do the standard crunch, but I feel the leg raises are so much better exercise. So here, 10 repetitions, 4 sets, 1 minute break in between our sets. The chair's still there. I'll keep it there. And Simba Singh's still here as well. I'm going to have my hands straight out. So let's go. 10 reps. Stop 6 inches off the ground and back up. I'm sorry you can't see it because the sofa's there. Now a lot of you guys say that, oh, working out lower abs, upper abs, all this, but these exercises work your entire abs. It's not just your lower or your upper, okay? It's working the whole abdominals, okay, and your obliques as well. So I want you guys to take it on board. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Now the next exercise is going to be for our lower back. Now this is a floor hyperextension, because there's not a lot of exercise that you can do for your back unless you're doing like pillow rows or something, but there's not enough resistance, especially for pillows. But this is a great exercise to be working our lower back. This is the hyperextension. 10 repetitions. Lay down completely flat. You can have your hands in front or you can have your hands behind your ears, okay? Legs up. I'm gonna have my hands behind my ears and simply raise up, back down, raise up, back down, and squeeze at the top as well. Because our back's important as well. It's not just about getting like a big chest or toned arms or nice abs or whatever, but your back is very important. Now I know this is not an exercise which I included, but if you do want to do an exercise, let me just quickly show you for your back. This is not included and I'm not exactly adding this into this workout, but let's say these are the resistance. If it's like a bag or something, I'm just grabbing the pillows just so I can quickly show you. So what I want you guys to do is like a row. So chest out, back straight. I want you to roll the pillows in. Of course, use a bit more resistance because there's no resistance. And squeeze your back. And squeeze. And this is working your lats, okay? So lower back as well, so don't think that, oh, just working your lats. That's going to be working our lats, these muscles on the back, okay? I didn't include that because there's quite a lot of exercises to do, but that is an exercise that you can do for your back if you want to include it. If you feel like, hey, I got my energy, I want to do it, but hey, I'm not including this workout. Whew. Now what I want you to remember for your entire life, even if you live to 135 and one day, it doesn't matter, I want you guys to train your legs, okay? So if you are into fitness, you're working out, you started working out, whatever, make sure you always train your legs, okay? So what we are going to be doing here, it's just going to be one exercise, but it's going to be a superset. We are going to be doing 10 squats, okay? Straight into 10 jump squats. That's going to be our leg workout to finish off this workout, okay? So don't avoid legs, okay? I should actually start with this so you make sure you do it. So I'm going to show you here under the chandelier, okay? So 10 reps on squats straight into 10 jumping lunges. So it's going to be straight into it, okay? Let's do it. Feet shoulder width apart. You can have your hands behind your head. You can have your hands in front. Now, if you feel that you find it hard to get enough depth, meaning that you find it hard to come down, you can have just your feet pointing out a little bit. It actually helps to get that depth, okay? So, hands in front, hands behind your head is entirely up to you. 10 repetitions. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 10 reps. Let's go. Once our 10 reps are done, this is going to be quite a hard one. You can have your hands behind your head or in front, or the easiest, have your hands on your hips, okay? So, jumping lunges. If you have knee problems, take it easy on this one. 5 on this leg, 5 on this leg, superset, meaning that you go straight into it, don't have no break, okay? Let's go. 1, keep that core tight, because when you are jumping, it's your core that's going to keep you in that tight position. Because if you let your core go and it goes loose, that's the time where you are going to start moving about and you cannot do the exercise. So that is our entire workout for our whole body. So if you are serious about transforming your physique and you want a workout plan and a diet plan for every single month, click the link in the bio and let's get you on the 90-day shaping plan. If you want to ask me questions about the program, drop me an email, ramgumanonline@gmail.com, and I'll give you the full details about the program. If you have any questions, to be honest, if I'm someone who's going to join a program, I want to know more about it and I actually want to talk to the person as well. So if you have any questions about like how it works or anything, just drop me an email and from there I will create you the best program that you need to change your physique. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. If you guys want to see any videos in the future, leave a comment in the section below and I'll happily make a video regarding that topic. It doesn't matter if it's workouts or me just talking or whatever. This channel is for you guys. I shall see you all in the next video. Peace.